Welcome to QuoteUp Tutorials. In this video, we will look at how to set up your profile using the settings icon. Let's begin. Your personal details were added when you signed up to use QuoteUp. These can be updated at any time. Select Change Password to update your existing password. Tap Business Details to enter your name, contact details, and address. Remember to tap Save once you have entered the updated information. Select Business Accounts to add your ABN, license number, and banking details. Document terms will allow you to set a document ID initial. This refers to the initials you want displayed on your quotes. You can also add your business terms and conditions. Markup percentages will allow you to add your service and materials markup, tax total, and deposit requirements. Markups are automatically calculated and added to your quote. Tapping Document Branding will allow you to customize the color scheme of your quotes and invoices. Your business logo can also be uploaded and will be displayed on all your quotes, invoices, as well as the QuoteUp homepage. Remember to tap Save at the end of every action to save your changes. These changes will be shown on your quotes and invoices. For further help, please contact our customer support team, and remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular handy hints.